Hi everyone, thank you for watching this self-introduction video. My name is Wen Shi. I'm a professional engineer. I provide building engineering service to the public in Ontario, Canada here. I also taught the heating, ventilation, air conditioning mechanical training program in George Brown College. As a partial load faculty, I have multiple construction trade background. I'm offering this off-grid and hybrid solar system course, and I hope you enjoy the course. Over 10 years ago, I took the electrical engineering course offered by the UT Professional Development Center, and that helped me to come up with this solar charge maximizing controller, this idea, and put them into practice, into the application. And so it helped me to prepare this course as well. My multiple construction trade background provide me with the benefit in the preparation for this course with lots of hands-on experience, so help in the design and installation of this off-grid and hybrid system. And the teaching experience with George Brown College also give me benefit for the preparation of this course. I would like you to subscribe to this course. We need everyone's involvement to reverse the trend of the global warming and climate change. This is for our future generations.